So this is the Philips PM2443 Digital DC voltmeter. According to the manual, it's copyright 1975. So it's, somewhat old. Just to see how accurate it is, I have a modern voltmeter beside it, which is plugged into the same input as it is. And let's go ahead and turn it on. We immediately see it uses nixie tubes, yay! And it also has a nice clicking noise every time it makes a measurement. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up. Let's go ahead and look in on those nixie tubes. Focus, damn you. We can see how accurate it is. Let's do manual focus instead. There we go. We can compare how accurate it is by short-circuiting the input, and it pretty quickly reads 0 volts, which my multimeter almost agrees to if it were plugged into the same input, like so. I'm not sure how much of a good this test is that short-circuiting input reads 0 volts, if that means it's accurate at higher voltages. So I also have a approx 13 volt input or wiring up to now, and then it reads 13.8, which my voltmeter also agrees with. So despite the years, it still seems pretty accurate, which is pretty cool. You can also turn off so that it always makes measurements, in which case you do like that, and then you have to manually make and measure it. The manual which comes with it states lots of nice information, such as its specifications and technical data. Let's see if we can get a better picture, like so. Accessories, installation, pinouts, and the cool thing with the manual is if you go all the way to the back, there are pictures, fine, but there is also schematics. Let's go all the way to the back here. There's a schematic, not too fancy, but there are extended pages. That's just a logic display though. Here we go. So you can fix your multimeter when it dies. Always good. There seems to be a lot of 75 logic in it, which is expected considering its age. Let's see if we can get a close-up on the nixie tubes when they're changing. So let's put it on automatic and disconnect the supply. What's interesting with the nixie tubes is that you can see they have depth. Let's see if we can get an angle here. Let's focus. So you can see that the digits are actually behind each other, so that depending on the digit that's being displayed, you can see how the digit moves backwards and forwards for each segment. And the wonderful clicking noise. So that was the Philips PM2443 Digital DC voltmeter, which is going to be rebuilt into a classical nixie tube clock. Thanks for watching.